take a look at our first type of problem beyond test, evaluating a function. Got f of x equals x squared plus 8x minus 1. And first thing we're going to find is f of negative 2. Well, when you're evaluating a function, first thing you do is you go through and everywhere you have an x, you put in parentheses. Everything else remains exactly as is. So the squared is there, the 8 is there, the negative 1 is there. Now whatever we have in parentheses here, we're going to plug in the parentheses over here. So we're going to plug in negative 2 there and negative 2 there. Well, negative 2 squared is 4. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16 minus 1. And that gives us negative 12 minus 1, which gives us negative 13. Second one, we have f of 5x minus 1. Same idea. We're going to go through everywhere in our f of x, and where there's an x, you put in parentheses. Everything else remains as is. Whatever's inside the parentheses here will go in the parentheses over here. So we'll put a 5x minus 1 here and 5x minus 1 here. Now 5x minus 1 squared is 5x minus 1 times 5x minus 1. 8 times 5x gives us 40x, and 8 times negative 1 gives us negative 8 minus 1. 5x times 5x gives us 25x squared. 5x times negative 1 is negative 5x. Negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. Plus 40x, and negative 8 negative 1 gives us negative 9. Now combine together like terms. Negative 5 and negative 5 gives me negative 10x, plus 40x gives me 30x. 1 minus 9 gives us negative 8. And that would be your answer for that. Now, second problem we had f of x is equal to 3x minus 5 over 4x plus 2. First thing we're going to find, part A. I guess this is A and this is B here. Want to find f of 3. Well, again, we go through and everywhere we have an x, we put in parentheses. Everything else remains exactly as is. Whatever is inside the parentheses here is what goes in here. So we're going to put 3 here and 3 here. Well, 3 times 3 is 9 minus 5. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2. Which gives us 9 minus 5 is 4, 12 plus 2 gives us 14. Which gives us, top and bottom both divisible by 2, so that gives us 2 sevenths. Let me do B right here. I want to find f of x plus 3. Now again, we're going to go through and everywhere we have an x, we'll put in parentheses. I'll leave a little extra room here since we're plugging in more. Whatever's inside the parentheses here is what goes in here. So it's x plus 3, so I put in x plus 3 here. Well, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 5. 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 3 is 12. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. And down here, 12 plus 2 gives us 14. So that would be your answer.